Hello and welcome to our latest video, where we will be showcasing the top 3 best giant inflatable pool floaties for the year 2023. There's nothing quite like lounging on a giant pool floaty on a hot summer day, and in this video, we will be reviewing the top 3 best floaties on the market, based on their size, durability, and overall fun factor. Whether you're looking for a giant unicorn or a massive pizza slice, we've got you covered. So grab your sunscreen and let's dive into our list of the best giant inflatable pool floaties for 2023. Number 3. Pool Float Collection, the world's first and only original golf cart pool float. Cool off after a long day on the course with the world's first floating golf cart. This oversized float is so tricked out, you'll be the envy of the country club. Removable fringe-lined shade and retro design. 2 people can lounge under the fringe-lined removable mesh sunshade and enjoy favorite beverages with 2 front cup holders. With the Funboy golf cart, the only thing you'll sink is your next putt. Trust Funboy, the global leader in high-quality, original luxury inflatables. Family-founded business in Venice Beach, California. We are USA-based company with USA-based customer support. The highest quality pool float on the market. 24-hour air tested to ensure the best float. Funboy products pass stringent third-party testing to ensure safety and construction. All floats exceed industry testing standards. Number 2. Unicorn and Flamingo Pool Float, the original Funboy luxury swan float, now in clear aqua blue. Swooping neckline, graceful features and transparent clear aqua blue ultra-thick material. The Funboy Swan is the most elegant swan float ever created. Massive swan for your pool. 5 featuring base and rises. 3 featuring out of the water. The Funboy Swan float is a giant, elegant creature that turns your pool into an oasis of floating art and endless fun. USA-based family-owned and operated company. Started in 2015 and located in sunny Southern California, we created Funboy to help you have the most fun possible with friends and family. USA-based customer service. Funboy is carried in the finest global retailers including Nordstrom, Frontgate, Anthropologie and more. The highest quality pool float on the market. 24-hour air tested to ensure the best float. Funboy products pass stringent third-party testing to ensure safety and construction. All floats exceed industry testing standards. Number 1. Aqua Leisure Catalina Easy On-Off Pool Floaty. Seat rests in water, no jumping, ladders, or flopping needed. Best for people 4 to 6 feet tall. Great for seniors and expectant mothers. Sturdy material. Patented non-stick PVC is 50% to 70% thicker than most other sticky PVC. Hammock pool floats. 50% soft vinyl, 50% soft mesh multi-purpose pool float. Float in lakes, oceans and swimming pools. Good for use as an exercise saddle, chair, hammock, or drifter. Packaging may vary inflated size. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. If you want to buy any product, the Amazon link is the description and comments. Check it out now. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.